Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am back with again a new topic of Zabbix. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Zabbix server on a standalone or in your physical environment or the production environment. I am going to install 7.0 pre-release version. I am going to use CentOS 8.5 version, and I have selected the 8 stream Zabbix components. I am going to install server, front end, agent, database, MySQL, and web server Apache. So let's move towards the installation. Maybe most of the guys are facing the error of database that 8.0.26 version needed to be installed, and by default if we run the installation command it will install 8.0.23 something like this. And the latest requirement for the database is 8.0.35. I will resolve and guide you to get rid of that error and install your Zabbix server. Let's just access our node. First, I am going to add the repos so our installation will go on smooth without facing any error. We are going to install Zabbix repository. Now we have to install this PHP version. Enter Y, and now we can install this whole package, or you can install the database first. So I am going to install all of these packages: Zabbix server, front end, and agent. Soon this download process will be completed, then it will move towards the installation. All these packages has been downloaded. Enter Y, again enter Y, again enter Y, press enter, and these packages will be installed. Mm, okay, all packages have been installed. Now what we have to do, we have to install MySQL database. I am going to follow these steps to install MySQL database. So download and add MySQL yum repository to Linux repository. Okay, install the download package, type Y on the prompt to continue. To know the download repository on the CentOS 8 machine, issue the below command. Okay, looks fine. Now what we are going, if MySQL client is already installed, before we install MySQL 8.0, issue the following command to disable. If any package of MySQL has been installed, this command will disable that package. Now install the MySQL 8.0 by issuing the below command. You can clearly see over here that 8.0.35. If we install the MySQL database by following the simple or general steps, it will not install the 8.0.35 version, it will install the lower or older version. If we install the lower or the old version, it will not integrate with the Zabbix server and the Zabbix server will not going to be started. So to get rid of that error, you have to install the MySQL community version and follow these steps. Now we have to start this service. We have to enable this service if any time or any moment our Zabbix server will be rebooted, it will auto restart this database service as well. You can clearly see in the MySQL database service is running and up. When MySQL 8.0 is installed, temporary root password for MySQL is created under this directory. You need to get the password using the following command. We are going to get the temporary password and this is our temporary password. We are going to paste it over here. Now we will move towards the secure installation. The temporary password we have created. Now it is asking that we have to create a new password. Change the root password. Yes. Yes, we are going to move this button. Remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root login remotely for this database. If you want to disable remotely login, then you can press Y. In my case, I am going to press no. Remove test database and access to yes. We want to delete the test database. Load privileges table now. Yes, we are all done. Mean everything looks fine. Now what we are going to do is we will create the initial database. I am going to enter the password that I have recently created. It will get me to the terminal of database. Now simply we will copy these command and run over there. The error pop-up is that we have the weak password and we are not following the policy. I am going to make some changes. Let's see this will resolve. Yes, it is resolved our issue that we have the no, we don't have a stronger password that we have created or pasted first. Now on the Zabbix server host, import initial schema and data. You will be prompted with the password. You will be prompted to enter your newly created password. We will enter the password that we have used to create our user. The same password we have used over here that I have changed in front of you guys. This password will be used to import these schemas to your database. It will take a bit time to import all the schema to our newly created Zabbix database. If you enter wrong password or is there is any issue in the installation in our previous steps, the error will be prompted over here rather than this. I have entered the password and it has moved to the next line that it is important the it is going to import the schemas. What will be our next step? We are going to disable this log bin trust function creators and we are going to put that password for the database we have created over here. We will replace the newly created password with this password keyword. Yeah, the schemas has been imported successfully, no error prompted over here. Now move to the next step. I am going to type the password first over here because this password will be used in the future as well. We have entered in the database. Run this below command in the database, and now we can exit the database. Next step, we have to replace the DB password with our newly created password. Now press Ctrl W to find the DB password keyword. Press enter. It will takes you to the so what is the password I have created is this one. We have created this password. Now what we are going to do is press Ctrl X, enter Y, press enter. Now we will restart the Zabbix server, Zabbix agent, Apache service, HTTPD and PHP service as well. These have been restarted successfully. Now we will enable all these services. No, the last step is the default URL of Zabbix UI when using Apache web browser web server is this. We are going to replace host with our node IP address and press enter. We have accessed the GUI. Simply you have to press over next step, check for prerequisites, all the requisitories. Okay, you can clearly see the green, okay, that everything is fine. If any of these have the red color, it means it is it has something error or not installed properly. Next step, but we are going to paste the similar password over here for the Zabbix user. Press the next step. We will name our Zabbix server, and you can select the time zone over here. Let's check because I am in the Asian country. I am going to select Asia. Yeah, Karachi. Next step. Next step. Use the default username admin and the password is Zabbix and press enter. You have successfully signed in to your Zabbix GUI. This is how you can simply install the Zabbix server latest version 7.0 without having the database error of 8.0.35 or the Zabbix server service is not running. The pop-up message will clearly Here you can see, because my Zabbix server is running and up, I am not facing any error. Thank you for watching. Please keep following my channel and subscribe my channel and keep up to date about the upcoming new videos. Please comment if you face any issue you can ask, and about any query you will face. I am here to help you guys. Thank you for watching. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel as well, and like my videos. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Thank you for watching.